Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the screen that is too dark even with extra brightness switch on. It's still too dark. So here what is you can do, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings screen you want to scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next tap on visibility enhancements. Now scroll down and tap on the extra dim button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off. This is what causing the screen to go too dark because of the extra layer of darkness applying to your screen. So switch it off and then go back into your display. And here you can turn up the brightness, and you can see if I turn on extra brightness, it is now extra bright. So make sure extra dim is switched off, and that is what causing your screen going too dark. Again, it is in accessibility, and you can see if I go into visibility enhancements and turn on extra dim. If I tap on the left hand side panel, I can also change the extra dim intensity. And that is what causing your screen to go too dark. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.